Hello and welcome to Phonics Reading YouTube channel. I'm Miss Sam, and in today's lesson we will learn to read ig words, and we will read a simple story. Are you ready to read along with me? Yes, let's get started. Ig, 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 b, ig, big, b, ig, big, b, ig, big, d, ig, dig, d, ig, dig, d, ig, dig, ig, fig, ig, pig, ig, pig, g, ig, gig, g, ig, gig, g, ig, gig, j, ig, jig, j, ig, jig, j, ig, jig, ig, pig, ig, pig, ig, pig, w, ig, wig, w, ig, wig, w, ig, wig, t, w, ig, twig, twa, ig, twig, twa, ig, twig. Now, can you try reading these words on your own? Yes, let's do that. Well done. Now, let's read a story. A, ig, pig. I, in, w, ig, wig. We have sounded out. Now we have to read the sentence one more time so that we understand the meaning of the sentence really well. A pig in wig. It is a red, red, wig, wig. It is a red wig. Say the sounds loudly and read with me. The is a tricky word. Ig. pig. Is big, big. The pig is big. The tricky word wig, wig. Is big, big. Two. Ooh is a digraph. The wig is big too. The pig, pig. Jigs. The pig jigs. The wig zigs. The wig zigs. The pig sees. E is a digraph. Digraphs are two letters and one new sound. A pig, pig. The pig sees a pig. The pig, pig. Digs. The pig digs. The pig, pig. Gets. The pig, pig. The pig gets the pig. The pig, pig. Eats. E is a digraph. The pig, pig. The pig eats the fig. A pig, pig. In red, red. Wig, wig. A pig in red wig. Now, can you try reading the story on your own? Let's do that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and share the video with your friends so that they can also learn. Keep practicing. I'll see you soon. Bye.